to the GELITA Collagen Revolution Open House.
GELITA is a global manufacturer of a range of collagen and gelatin peptide products. Today we had a grand opening for the new collagen peptide plant. We are currently the world's largest manufacturing center for both gelatin and collagen peptide. The entire executive team from GELITA has flown out here with other international representatives and the local, state, city, and county representatives to help celebrate the opening.
The muscles, the bones, the organs, whatever, you stick together by collagen.
We got to learn more about GELITA as a company and some additional things that I wasn't aware of that they did on a global basis. Then saw some product demos. We were able to touch and taste and use some of the products.
We went on a tour today and we saw from the beginning to the end in processing gelatin, extraction for peptides and proteins. It is a very sophisticated system. You just get this feeling of high tech when you walk through the door.
Learning that just the applications of this are endless. Health drinks in the pharmaceutical aspects, in the gummy aspects. It was very enlightening to see a demonstration just of all the different uses and all the different applications.
It's enormous economic impact in Siouxland. About 255 or so folks working in the area. Very strong and stable company that pays well, has good benefits, and that's a unique opportunity to have in the community.
It's a great sense of accomplishment to see it come to fruition after 4 years, pre-engineering, the business development plan, locating the raw materials to supply the plant. All this has culminated in this day.
They're the leaders of their industry. And for them to choose this area, I think the area is fortunate to have them.